Welcome to Aero Connections, the video series that highlights the clients of Aero Engineering, their fantastic stories, and their amazing projects. Today's episode is the Sweet Springs Pool House renovation project in Sweet Springs, West Virginia. The area around Sweet Springs was always known for having its mineral wells and springs that were a favorite and a sacred place for Native Americans. Shortly after the town was established in 1836, a hotel was built on the property with a design inspired by Thomas Jefferson. By 1857, additional cottages, a pool house, and some other buildings were added, completing the resort. In 2015, the resort was purchased by Ashby Berkeley, who established the Sweet Springs Resort Park Foundation for the purpose of restoring the resort to include a spa, a hotel, and a conference center, along with possibly a youth camp. By 2020, the condition of the pool house had deteriorated significantly. Aero Engineering worked alongside of the foundation and the Preservation Alliance of West Virginia to develop stabilization plans to help save this important and historic structure. Aero visited the facility, performed a conditional assessment on all aspects of the structure, and helped to develop the stabilization drawings and plans that will be needed to help fully restore this important building. Aero is thankful for the opportunity to have worked alongside of these great organizations on this important structure and look forward to the day when this resort is back to being used and enjoyed by generations to come.